But the source of the content should start from you
Yeah, got
or around you.
it. Yeah.
How do you price it as 50 or 60? Like, what are the factors you considered?
Indian.
If tomorrow someone comes and makes a product for 55 rupees and gives the same product to your customer, what happens then? Starting off with reels, I'm not so comfortable, doing that kind of content. But the one understanding which I've got as of now is
In present market, which fragrances are? What's the mindset of the people?
yeah, these fragrances, all of it, what we do, you choose your costs and we make the products according to it. Yeah. For example, say if you're building a house. Okay. So for that brand, if you're making a brand for that, it is more sensible to use more earthy smells, or it is more sensible to use the colors and
According
schemes
to my content and plan.
Correct.
Because I have
You-
to choose.
you can make the product according to it, because everything you make in the product is in your control. So you can control the color, you can control the smell, you can control how it feels. So based on that, you give the names, and based on the names, you make the product, and you give it the appropriate smell, color, and texture. So it resonates throughout.
Yeah, got it. It's good.
Yeah. And
So-
don't invest more than 10,000 rupees to start off with. Yeah.
Okay. How I need to invest money?
Start off with the content.
Okay.
So even before you make the product,
Actually, I love Instagram.
okay.
And I have a small Instagram page.
Do you have a liking in photography or
Nothing.
nothing? Okay. So-
I love visiting places. I have visited most of the South India. I have visited all of South India states.
Okay. What
I
kind of
travel.
places do you visit?
I love beaches,
Okay.
seashores,
Oh,
seashores.
Okay.
I love those.
Okay. It can be, we can even make soaps from seawater.
Okay.
Go visit the places, fill up a bottle of water, send it back to us. We'll make soaps for you with that.
Okay.
Make soaps and
Okay. Seawater source.
yeah, from that particular beach. It'll have a memory to it, and maybe we can put a QR code in your packaging which describes the beach or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, it's a nice idea. Actually, love travel.
Yeah, so if we could bring in what we love, it doesn't feel like you're working, and yeah.
Yeah, got it.
So in that case, you need not be limited to soaps alone. You can get those shells from there.
Yeah.
You can make keychains. You can get it made. Anything to do with that.
How can I produce content for Instagram?
Instagram, I think, is generally based on photos.
Yeah.
So, which if you're good at photos, nice different photos, it'll work. And Instagram Reels are there.
Reels.
So Reels, I'm just starting off with Reels. I'm not so comfortable, doing that kind of content. But the one understanding which I've got as of now is, in certain situations, we feel like there is some background score that needs to be given. Yeah. So those situations, I think we can use it on Reels.
Okay.
It's a simple video with a suitable background score. I think it will work good. And the same content, you take it and post it all across all places.
Okay.
Same thing, you can convert it into a image. For example, see, what we do is, our content is mostly based on problems and solutions. So people ask us questions and I give answers. So here, if you see, this is my team, and where is it? This was one comment which I got on YouTube. I gave the reply, but I got a screenshot and I sent it to the people, and they make it as a carousel. Instagram image carousels. So the source of the content needs to be you, and maybe to start off with, we will not have that much of manpower, and do it in the beginning, and then hire people or outsource it to some agency and
Okay.
But the source of the content should start from you
Yeah, got
or around you.
it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And people are willing to buy these products like all natural or something. How's the market going on?
See, generally there is a good, what do you say that people are willing to receive natural products, but then cost comes into play.
Okay.
So if you're making a completely all natural soap, I think the making cost itself will go about 75 to 80 rupees per product.
Okay.
So without any fragrances, use only essential oils and things like that. The manufacturing cost itself goes to 75 80 rupees.
Okay.
I'm talking about just the manufacturing cost. Then there's your marketing cost and packaging and
Yeah.
everything. So by that you would be able to sell a product only for about 300 or 350.
Okay.
So that is completely natural. And there are people willing to pay the price for natural, but there are a lot of people who have already come into the market for that category, and I don't think shouting along with them is going to make any sense. You need to overwork
Yeah, got it.
to make yourself be heard. But if you can find something unique and just talk about it, people would find you.
Okay. So I think my friends and my family and my area, it would be around, if I price around 50 or 60 rupees,
50 or 60 rupees, okay.
it will be workout for
Okay,
sure.
okay.
And not more than that, and not less than that, we also can't afford.
Okay. How do you price it as 50 or 60? Like, what are the factors you considered?
In according to their lifestyle and their income.
What is a typical lifestyle and what is an income?
Income will be around 25 to 30,000 persons will be there. Some of my friends.
Okay.
Some are from IT background,
Okay.
and some are having businesses in my hometown.
Okay. See, for these people from IT background, I think we're developing a product right now. There's this sponge which comes in with fruit juices and all soaked in it.
Okay.
So you can place it on your eye for 15-20, just put it in the fridge and then place it on your eye, which relieves the pain and
Okay.
things like that.
Never
So
heard of.
you never think about price,
Okay.
think about the problems they're facing and find solutions for it.
Okay.
Price will never be an issue.
Got it.
Yeah. So see, for you, you came from Bangalore just for meeting, right?
Yes.
In your life, how many times have you spent so much to come and just meet a person and go back?
Not much.
See,
Nothing. Maybe once or twice. Very less.
so you've broken something which you normally do in life
Yeah.
just to come here, because you truly believe that if you come here you'll get a solution and maybe it'll be worth more than what you're spending.
Yes.
So money and the price is a relative term. So if the customer truly believes that his problem would be solved, price just goes out of the picture.
Okay.
So price would be the last resort where you solve all the problems and you see if the person would be willing or not willing to pay the price.
Okay.
That would be the last thing you consider.
Okay.
Don't fix on the price and go. See, because if tomorrow someone comes and makes a product for 55 rupees and gives the same product to your customer, what happens then?
They'll buy their product.
So where does your uniqueness come in?
Okay. Yeah.
So there is building a brand and there is doing a business. So doing a business is just solving an immediate problem and making money out of it.
Okay.
You do not develop loyalty, you do not solve their problem,
Yeah.
you just satisfy their need. Maybe there is a need for natural soaps, handmade soaps.
Okay.
Yes, you're satisfying the need.
Okay.
But then what is stopping me from running an ad in your region saying that I'll give soaps for 25 or 30 rupees?
Yeah. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. I have to build my brand and create
Yeah.
the loyalty.
But if you're building a brand, even if someone gives it for a lower price, people are not going to be willing to buy it from them because you solve something they cannot do it with price.